on a Brazilian channel. If you look there, you'll see that I've been in this market for quite a while and I help a lot of people there. I decided to bring this content to this language here. So stick with me until the end of the video and you'll learn something really cool, alright?
And in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 free tools that you can use as much as you want with some limitations. I'm also going to show you how to set up a dark biblical channel, right? In the best way possible here, so you can get more views and automate as many processes as possible. Alright, I'll show you everything here on the screen. For example, this video that's on my screen right now. Look, the channel is called Beyond Wisdom, about biblical stories and the biblical destiny of Iran. The truth about Iran, written in the Bible just one day ago, already has 512,000 views. This video here, how do you're going to create content using only the tool I'm going to share with you. There will be 2 things. One will be an image prompt generator and the other will be a text division generator. Alright, here it is. Okay, so you can split up the text and take action when creating a dark channel. This one is free. To access it, just scroll down. The description of my video or the first pinned comment will take you to my Telegram channel. This video will also be shared on Telegram with the link to this tool, so everyone can use it for free. Let's see how we use it, shall we? How do we go about this process here? First thing, when you get a viral video, if you click on the video, conflicts, threats, hidden alliances, nuclear ambitions, the players. And the Attilo freed the captives and humbled the kings of Ori. For this one, it's that style of video you already know, right? With the biblical stories playing here and the moving image slides happening. Nowadays, we can actually do it even better, right? This kind of video here, because there are so many tools that generate moving videos. To model the script, you can, for example, take the video transcript. You come here to the transcript, show the timestamp, right? And then you copy and paste it into a tool like this one. See? Text splitter. You paste the script here. See? Ask it to split into, I don't know, 7,000 characters. Click on split. It will break it up into small pieces for you. You can paste these small pieces into the AI of your choice, like grok.com or chat.pt. Tell it to rephrase the text and paste each piece. If you put in too big a chunk, it won't be able to rephrase it and won't work because of the character limit, right? Here's a text splitter. Here you can also split it into several parts, which is very useful for creating your narrations, right? You need to put in about 1,000 characters at a time to do narration with AIs, 1,500 or 2,000. So if you want to copy, you just choose here. It splits it for you every 1,000 characters. And with one click, you can copy and paste it over there. Into your AI audio generator, for example, Google's audio AI, right? Google Studio, which is Google Studio. Actually, it produces really nice audio. This native generate, this AI, what else? If you put too many characters here, it starts to have issues. It starts to have an echo in the sound, and it goes off the tone you asked for. So, 2,000, 2,000 characters, 2,000 and 2,000, that's the best way to do it here. So, you also use a text splitter like this, which I'm making available for you all to do this kind of thing, because you already have the script. Since I have the competitor's script, I'm not going to just take his script and do it again. We need to create a new one. If you ask it to rework everything, this tool I created is for Lightpoint's clients. You can copy a video. From YouTube, the address of a YouTube video, you can come here, rework the transcript, and paste the video address. Here you can put the topic. What's the topic? Put that topic just like this. It won't make an identical video, it'll just rework it, really. Biblical destiny of Iran. Biblical stories and curiosities. It's like a prompt that you enter. You put the video title here and add any detail you want. I want it to be focused on X, Y, Z. Here you can choose prompts. These prompts here all come from my system's database. All these prompts, I wrote them myself. Testing artificial intelligence with the best possible results. Here we've got finance, interesting facts, curiosity channels, biblical stories, prayers, all sorts of things here. Here it says religiosity, serious, but I'm going to change it to biblical because that's how people know it better. You can do it in any language. Main languages are in this list. You can make channels in any language. I will do it in Spanish. Okay, so the channel I'm going to set up is in Spanish, Latin American Spanish, not specifically the Spanish from Spain. And here you have the speaking style, like a YouTuber talking, but geared more towards biblical horror or more humorous. I'm going to choose the biblical one, right? That's the style of speech. It's already targeted at this audience, and you can add a CTA, a customized call to action, this personalized call to action. That's it. For example, you can put something like, Click the link in the description to learn how to do it so you can sell something, a call to action. Visit our Instagram. You can put whatever you want. That's the default. Like, ask them to comment their opinion, to generate engagement, and what you would like to see in the next video. So, what is it? Continuations. It's when you take it writes apart. Because artificial intelligence has writing limitations. It writes a good script for you, but you can ask it to continue once, twice, 3 times. You can ask it to continue up to 30 times here. I'll set it to continue up to 3 times here. Okay. This replace script is when you take, for example, let's say I'm making a video about finance, modeling a video from Primo Rico. Primo Rico has a product called Think Class, which teaches people how to invest. Then I can say, replace everything that's Think Class with like points. So the script that it writes for me, everything it says, Think Led, it replaces with like points and also creates a new script for you. But in this case, there's nothing to replace, so I'll just leave it blank. Now I'll put here, extract transcription. Then it'll take this video here and bring to me what's being said in it. See, it brought it over. Now, we can rework the transcript with these settings here. Just select rework transcript. It'll create a new script for me, in Spanish, with a religious tone and speaking style. Biblical, with the CTA I added, with 3 follow-ups. And it'll give me a ready-made script here, for me. So you can use it. It's a much faster way. You can make cool scripts with this tool here. You can even pick a day of the week to do your scripts. 30 scripts, 40 scripts. You just put them here. All of them get saved. After that, you can move on to creating the images, recording the narration, and editing. So you pick a day of the week. Each day you do a different part. You see, it took the script here, which was in Portuguese, and made another script on the same topic in Spanish. It did it for me with 3 continuations, right? I'm going to copy this script here. I click the little button, and it already copies to the desktop, to the clipboard, right? I'll just do a Ctrl V. Look, there's the script. It's cool and extensive because it also suggests the title. It also did the S, the script. What we did, everything, title, description, text, it did everything for me, for the video, so now I have the script. In Save Scripts, I wanted, you see. I wanted a video Bali, the biblical secret of Iran, and now one Thailand. The one we're working on is this about the biblical secret of Iran. If you double click it, it comes back here, so you don't lose it stays safe locally on your machine. Now for us to create images for the script, once you have the text divider I provided, the block is having issues. It will keep updating once you already have the text divider here, right? You can do the audio. I want to make it with 2000 characters. Or if you're going to use ClickChamp, which accepts up to 6500 characters, 7000. Depending on the language. You can keep splitting it. It will do it for you. Then you just click once, go there and paste it into ClickChamp. Click once here, go there and paste it into ClickChamp. Let me do one so you can see. I'll click here, copy. Everyone knows that ClickChamp, at least at the time I'm recording this video, at least, it could be that after this video goes live, ClickChamp has changed. ClickChamp has been free for years, but anything can change because companies change their systems, just like how CapCut removed its online voices. The same thing could happen with ClickChamp too. ClickChamp. You open it on your PC or in your browser, it works online and locally. Mine runs locally. I downloaded the app from the Windows Store. Now, I'll click Record and Create, then Text-to-Speech Converter, and choose Spanish, United States. I chose Latin American there. Here are the voices. You can pick a female or male voice. Let's select the male voice. Then you just copy and paste to see how many blocks you get. Look, 123. 3 blocks. We copy and paste this here 3 times. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. So now we have 3 blocks. We just come here. See, it's so easy. Just go to the little button where you split it. 6500 characters. Click copy. Put it next to where my camera is, where I had the camera. Ctrl V. But, right? Here I'm using my friend's script, but I'm not going to use his. I'll refresh the page and paste the script I just made myself. Now, yes, I'm going to split it into 6500 characters. Then it'll give me the option here. See, to copy and paste into ClickChamp. Here it told me that you're supposed to copy the second block. I'm not sure if there are 3 since I grabbed the wrong script. I'll paste it here. Let's see how many more there are. Oh, there are 3. Really? See, copy, Spanish, right, paste here, Ctrl V. So what do you do next? You're going to play each one of them. Save, that purple button. See, save, click the second, save, click the third, save. So, automatically, you have all 3 audios in order. You just need to adjust them here. See. If any fail, just click again. That sometimes happens in ClickChamp. It fails. You send, so you drag it, put it in front of the other. The ClickChamp voice is improved a lot. We can use it easily, do this channel, which ended up with a 16-minute video export. We already have the video's audio, right? Audio, Iran. Download the images for the video. So, this tool that I'll make available to you does this too. You need to log into an account. Google. Let me log into another one of mine here. Okay, you log in there. Go to Google Studio on Google using your email account. You click here, and then at the API, you can get a free key by clicking accept, and up here you click this button. It will generate an API key code for you. I'll generate it here and copy it. There's a copy button, click it. Then go back to the tool and click generator. Paste your key here, Ctrl+V. After you paste it, click this button to test. If it turns green, then use the script here. So you press Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, come down, paste Ctrl+V. Then you choose what type of prompt this is. Usually, I use generic. You can pick the number of prompts. I'll put 8. You can also choose if you want Disney, Pixar, 2D anime, cartoon, photorealistic, or cyberpunk style. Usually, it's cinematic, right, for biblical stories. That's the prompt it tells you to use. 16:2:9 or 9:2:16. For horizontal video, 16:2:9. If you include the format in the prompt, when using Midjourney, include the 16:2:9 format. For the prompt, most tools don't need it. Then you tick here, if you want. A consistent image would be, for example, if you have a character called Joseon Ho, who has orange hair and a yellow hat, then you mention this and mark it as a consistent character. But since we are talking about generic biblical stories, we don't need a consistent character or image, so I won't tick it, I'll just leave it on generate. It will take your API key, read your script, break it into pieces, and generate the prompts for you. Pretty cool, right? It's all set and ready to go. For step 2, for each step, it generates 8 prompts, and for step 3 and step 4 as well. Here, you have free access, it'll be free for you all. You just need to join my Telegram channel to get it, I'll leave the link below. So you can have access to this tool, which will generate all the steps of the script. 8 prompts for each of them, using your AI key. Gemini, then you take these prompts. You don't have to do all 8. I made 8 prompts, 8 prompts. There will be a button at the top, where I'll put copy all. You can use your preferred AI and paste the prompts. I'm going to use effects image here. It's free and lets you create good images with AI using prompts. Look, you set it to 16:9, then paste each prompt here one by one. The manual way to make a channel here is like this, create a prompt yourself. But in this case, we have a tool that creates the prompts for you, so there's a way to do this automatically. Using our tool, we also have a feature that lets you paste all the prompts I copied. Just click there on generate, and what it'll do is take each prompt and paste it in. First here, there's an image called God I'm Back. We haven't managed to fix this image yet. It's not going to have anything to do with the process, but aside from that one, we'll be able to create the images. Here, you can just discard it, just delete it, because creating here in the effects email is free. So, it created all the prompts automatically here. Look how cool, so many prompts it made for your script. Specifically, you have the text generator and the prompt generator from your system here for free within my platform. Now, it's going to start generating images related to the Iran movie. That's what we are doing, right? I'm going to generate biblical images for this context. Exactly every little bit of what's said there. Later you use the images in the order they were created. It will download for this. This two here is inside Lightpoints, this one for images. Okay, we have one in Lightpoints that generates images. There's also the one from Lightpoints, which connects to meta.ai and creates micro videos. If you want something more animated, the one from meta.ai does that. You can type here, image. It's also inside Lightpoints. Okay, then it will create a generic image. Then you come here, look, change it to 16:9 and paste the prompts here in the tool. Then you tick this box here to generate videos. It will create micro videos of Iran for you. He will create the image first, then animate it, and after animating the image, it will download it. You have endless, infinite images. Then, with the automated processes for creating the channel, the rest you already know. You'll sync the audio generator in Clipchamp, which you exported, with the images in the CapCut editing software. Usually, this is how we do it. I've shown this in several videos here, right? I also have a free class, which I left in the description for you, showing how to do this editing process, and how to do the remodeling process in other ways. Alright, so now you're doing animation. There, it even picked up these writings here, right? There's a video there that we looked at, which got 500,000 views. He'll do the animation, and for the animation, he'll download them. All the images, he creates them in sets of 4 and makes a micro animation, then downloads it. So, are you creating images here on Google? Image effects, downloading, creating videos there on meta.ai, downloading as well. So, you just open browsers and you can create this a million times over. This way, you can automate the process of creating AI channels. About this tool here, you can choose the API key, either from DeepSeek or Gemini. So you can get different results. There are several niches here that I'm making available. I put them in my system and they show up here at your place, where you register the tool, where you download the tool. We also added the languages here. You can create a script for Zay. You don't have to model it exactly the same. I modeled it here. I can create one from scratch. Just put an idea here. Oh, I got no ideas today. Let me put here biblical facts that are hard to imagine. I'll put generate title ideas. Then it'll generate for me 7 biblical facts that are impossible to believe. I double click on it and it comes over here straight away. Here, I just change it to religiosity, which is that topic we said earlier. Should I put a long video here or a short one? It's a long video. I'll put here that it's got 3 parts. The rest, I'll just leave as it is. I'll set it to Spanish here, since the channel is in Spanish. I'll click generate. It'll take the idea, generate it there, and create the script for you. So, you already have your idea saved, and your script saved too. It creates the script and saves it here in the saved scripts folder. So if you need it to make videos or images, it'll be here. And this tool here also generates prompts for all the content you create here. It created the script. The script is already saved here. 7 biblical miracles that will shock you. I go to image generation. It's already selected. I'll select the correct script, 7 biblical miracles. I'll click generate image prompt. You take it and read it. My script will generate prompt 1, prompt 2, as many as it needs until the script is finished. So it generates prompts automatically for each scene in the video, always following the video title's context. This tool is great for automating your process. If you want to produce for a channel, have lots of scripts, lots of videos, you can do this with one click, right? Because it's generating the prompts. For me, I'll just copy this and put it into those automations I've already shown you, so it doesn't generate an image. I'll just download it to CapCut. They're all already in motion. Just put it in the timeline and it's done. You can't make 10 videos a day with these automations. Here, it's good to download this tool. Look, the script generator. I'll stay here. It's not this one, it's not here, it's another. There are 2 script tools, the native and the desktop one. The one you're seeing here, the green one, I'm updating it right now as I'm recording. This video here, it says upgrade on the things here. There's a tutorial on how to use it, and the download for the tool will be here. So you click to download, and you enter your key here. Your keys, right. You register your API key from Gemini or DeepSeek, as it accepts both. To get access to the free tool I left for you, join the Telegram group, link in description. The rest, you saw it already, right? Automations. If you want to access it like points, you can do it manually, 6 frames. To make videos for ARQ YouTube channels. Hope I helped. Videos.